Yukon, Highways and Public Works. Enabling Yukon. Our goal is to be invisible. Usually.
How we do things is just as important as what we do.
When nobody notices, that means we're doing a good job.
Here, everyone has a say.
And everybody can make a difference every day.
We're always looking for better ways to get the job done.
Leaders. Building foundations, inspiring innovation, exceeding expectations. Protect. Innovate. Collaborate. Recognize. Protect.
In this department, it is safety first.
Our whole reason for being is to protect the travelers and the employees that work at our airports.
If somebody's in trouble anywhere on our field or even up at 30,000 feet, we're going to be the ones to respond to it first.
We design and continuously improve the systems that protect the public's personal and private information. Helping people access government information is another important job that we do.
We work safely. That's rule number 1. We all get home safe.
Part of it is ownership. In that car could be your child, your family, your best friend. You want to see a decent piece of road and make sure it's safe.
We help people keep their kids safe in their cars. We also make sure the loads carried by transport trucks are secure.
Our work environment is more than safe, it's supportive. It's a place to share, learn, and grow.
Protect. We make sure everyone gets home safe every day. We expect safety on every job, big or small. We look out for each other. We create a safe, supportive work environment that offers an opportunity to share, learn, and grow. Innovate.
There's freedom to do something differently. If I come up with a new idea, it's not seen as a threat that needs to be curbed. It's seen as a resource that needs to be supported.
It took a lot of innovation, as well as collaboration, to design and build a 30-unit seniors residence in less than 1 year.
The leaders of the department brought all the employees together in a process to discuss what worked and what didn't. That conversation's brought about a lot of positive attitudes and change that benefits the public and the departments that we serve, as well as the employees and the organization overall.
We think ahead and like to work at least one step ahead. For example, we apply de-icing compound on the runway before the freezing rain rather than after it.
I'm an economist and now I work directly with transportation engineers. Having us all in the same work unit improves communication, teamwork, and collaboration and leads to better solutions.
The north and the edges of things is where innovation is actually occurring. We are a much smaller jurisdiction and we face much bigger challenges, so innovation happens naturally more often.
It doesn't sound like much, but think about culvert design. If fish can't swim through the culvert, the entire upstream side of the habitat will be gone. We've improved things a lot and continue to create even better ways to build and install culverts so fish can move through freely.
Just another day at the office.
Innovate. We seek creative solutions. We learn from mistakes and move forward. We challenge the status quo. We embrace continuous improvement. Collaborate.
We regularly work with 7 other branches or departments, so collaboration is part of what we do every day.
We monitor highway carrier compliance. That involves regular collaboration with other jurisdictions and agencies like the provinces, Government of Canada, State of Alaska, U.S. federal government, and the RCMP.
Collaboration. That was key to the successful construction of the seniors' residence in such a short time. Everyone pulled together and helped make it happen. Yukon Housing, engineers, architects, tradespeople, suppliers, and future residents.
Most Yukon First Nations are self-governing, and that means we work with them like every other government. Regular communication and building positive relationships is a big part of that.
This is the only municipal biomass heating system in the Yukon. It took a lot of collaborative effort to make this happen, and we're very proud of it.
People from many different disciplines are involved in the design of the entire Yukon transportation network. These projects are big, involve lots of people, lots of equipment, and lots of money. Quite a few decisions are involved, and we're successful because we work together in positive relationships.
For road location and design, we collaborate with the engineers to address environmental concerns. For example, if it's too straight, that's a benefit to predators. Maybe the location can be moved so there's less interference with the wildlife migration. Or maybe we can reduce the silt entering a stream.
Collaborate. We work toward common goals. We build connections by sharing information and knowledge. We create positive relationships. Recognize.
There's trust here. Employees really do have a say, and we have the opportunity to try new things with the support from our department.
At Whitehorse Airport and the community airports, we're very proud of the safety record that we have, and we hope to continue that into the future.
The seniors who live here love this place. That tells us we got it right.
We listen to and look out for one another. The safety vests we got cost $55 but only lasted 6 months. We knew we could do better. Now we have safety parkas that cost only $20 more but last for years.
There was some kind of problem with the computer system. The person with the answer was on holiday, but readily responded with a solution from a distance. That drew a special note of appreciation from senior management.
It's rewarding to start out with an ugly piece of road, look back and see the finished product. No one has to give you a pat on the back.
Here I was able to grow. I got support from the department and I started taking courses. Now I've got new credentials and a new position that's exciting and challenging, and I love it.
Recognize. We value the contribution that each of us makes. We listen to the views of all our team members. We trust our team members to get the job done. We celebrate our successes.